So a few years back, I embarked on a journey to learn how to code. With a thirst for knowledge and a desire to enter into the world of programming, I began my exploration with C++. However, for months, I stumbled in the dark, not knowing what I was doing or how it could be applied in the real world. But one fateful day, I met someone who was actually building websites. He was using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The idea of building something which was visually appealing and something tangible actually caught my attention. And I made a decision. I dropped C++ and I dived first into the world of web development. So that same night, I began learning HTML, CSS. I was so eager to actually build my first website, the color changes, everything that was just happening so fast, or like the C++ which I was doing. It was when I just this encounter which changed my career path forever. And from there, I picked up from other programming languages, picked up from other frameworks, and I've collaborated with developers around the world. Landed my first role, second role as a web developer. You were like me when I first started, not knowing what to do or what path to take. In this video, I'll be taking you through step-by-step process. Start from being a beginner to learn your first role as a developer. First step to actually be a programmer is to pick up a programming language, which people get confused in this area because they don't actually know what they want to do. Example, you narrow it down to what you actually want to do. If you want to be a mobile app developer, you want to be a blockchain developer, you want to be a web developer, and you could see a roadmap for that. But also, some people don't actually know what they want. You can't even narrow it down for them because they don't know. They have no idea what a mobile app developer does. They don't know. Pick a programming language that is more easy to start with. Like Python, for example, is more easier to start with because of the syntax. It's something you could easily understand within a few months of learning. So that many people actually jump onto buying courses which they won't finish. Actually start learning from free courses online, like Free Code Camp, W3 School. You can actually take advantage of free courses online. Even there are some very good YouTube courses which you can start with. The best type of learning is a project-based approach. So while learning all these programming concepts, it's very important to start building a project based on your present skill. So you learn this skill, you spend months just learning concepts, just watching videos, just digesting videos for months without actually making your hands dirty. Now, after learning all these concepts, you now start picking projects. You can search online, on Google, you see some very good projects which you can start with. So while building this project, you have to find a way to showcase this project. That's where GitHub actually comes in. So GitHub is like a platform for collaboration for the developers where you can actually push your codes. So after building this project, you push to GitHub, and the next thing is to have it available live, like some filters like Necessify. Actually deploy your project to make sure your potential employees can see your present skill set. So now let's talk about getting the job. Now start showing people that, oh, this is now what I do. It's on LinkedIn, on your social media account. You start sharing your project. Start showcasing all these web projects, all of your projects which you've built over the month, and now put it on your portfolio. Opportunities always come. Your cover letter ready, your resume ready, optimize your LinkedIn profile. Now while showcasing your project online, you now need to start preparing for technical interviews. And the way we're going to interview in this career part is that you have to know data structure and algorithm. And there are some online platforms which can help you with that, like Account, Code. There's also Prompt, which helps with interviewing if you are having difficulty in landing your first role. Know this, it's totally normal. You are new to this industry. You know what? Sometimes you just have to consider some freelance work. Someone actually wants to hire someone that is just fresh, and this is where the point of actually considering internship comes in. Two things you do on a job: that you are learning or earning, isn't it? So, and you can do the two. So if you are not earning yet, you can learn on the job, and you can add it to your portfolio, and you are gaining more years of experience. And later on, you can use that to apply to some other roles that require those experiences. So remember these 4 things: pick a programming language, start building projects and showcasing them online, start practicing technical interviews, and start applying to jobs early enough. Stay dedicated, stay committed, and see you in the next.